In today's video, we are going to visit the Wooden Shoe Tulip Festival. A wide variety of bright colors spans across this 40-acre farm. The tulip blooms peak in mid-April, while the Tulip Festival runs from March to May. The Willamette Valley is covered in farms and wineries because of how well things grow there. Towards the northern part of the valley is the town of Woodburn, and just east of that is the Wooden Shoe Tulip Farm. At the farm are rows of different colors of tulips. The festival runs during bloom season in the spring. In addition to the flowers, there are tents with food, drinks, handcrafted items, and rides for kids. The main attraction is the tulips, and I was most interested in taking photos. I attached a GoPro to my camera to give this video a photographer's perspective.
Get to work at 8 o'clock in the morning. The boss, he rolls in at 9:30. After 2 cups of Joe, he calls me on the carpet to ask me why my project's not on time. I got nothing to say. I got nothing to say. Don't want to start a riot, so I'll just keep quiet. I got nothing to say. My buddy introduces his new girlfriend. She's a nightmare that my brother used to date. And he's head over heels about her giggles and her squeals. He keeps asking me, boy, isn't she great? I got nothing to say. I got nothing to say. Don't want to start a fight, I'll just zip it tight. I got nothing to say. My Aunt Jill and Uncle Bill have discovered religion. They tell me that they've been born again. They lecture me all day long on how I'm living life all
wrong. At one section of the farm, you can purchase the tulips. They have them on display with name tags below.
Looked in the mirror this morning and saw these old eyes staring back. Along the way without a warning, that young man got off track. Thousands of miles of highways and hundreds of dirt roads, a million stars shining bright upon this life I've sowed. I thought I'd have it all by now, the riches, glory, and fame, a mansion on the ocean, gold records on the wall, the whole world would know my name. But something happened along the way that took me on a different path. This isn't where I'd planned to be. It's better than that. Now I have a place within this world, surrounded surrounded by those that I love. 6 twinkling eyes smiling back at me, and dozens looking down from above. A simple home with simple pleasures to keep my confounds. I thought I'd have it all by now, riches, glory, and fame. A mansion on the ocean, gold records on the wall, the whole world would know my name. But something happened along the way that took me on a different path. This isn't where I'd planned to be. It's better than that.
Signs are posted all over to protect the flowers from human destruction. Unfortunately, the signs don't always work.
So if you listen, heed my warning before you take up that fight. If you think you can or you think you can't, remember either way you're right. I thought I'd have it all by now, riches, glory, and fame.
While a lot of us are used to going for a low angle with photography, here you can see a lot more tulip rows by going for a higher angle.
But something happened along the way that took me on.
After a day of taking colorful tulip photos, it was about time to leave.
This isn't where I planned to be.
The Tulip Festival is a very popular event in Oregon. I was glad to be able to visit after it was canceled due to COVID last year. The photogenic backgrounds are great for photographers and even better for family photos.
It's better than that.